Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a Pizza Il Buttsy on the Karma 32 from WPPO. So the first thing that we want to do is light up the wood-fired pizza oven, and here are the steps. Start building the fire in the pizza oven by stacking a couple of smaller sticks of wood on top of each other. Insert a fire starter, light it on fire. Keep feeding the pizza oven until the stone hits 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Now when the pizza oven is up to temperature, it's time to prepare the Pizza Il Buttsy, and here's how we put it together. This pizza is called Pizza Il Buttsy because the main ingredient is an amazing truffle hot sauce from a good friend of mine, Buttsy. Now when the oven is hot, you want to shape your pizza dough into 12-inch thin Neapolitan-style pizzas. You want to put some semolina flour on a peel and transfer the pizza to the peel. The first thing that you want to add to this pizza is a thin layer of your favorite Alfredo sauce. Then we're going to season it with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. Next, we're going to add a healthy layer of mozzarella cheese. Then we're going to add plenty of crispy bacon to it. And then we're going to add another layer of the shredded mozzarella cheese. Last but not least, we're going to drizzle it with some jalapeno ranch dressing. Then it's time to place the pizza in the pizza oven, and we're going to bake it for 2 to 3 minutes. You want to rotate it halfway through, and when it's done, remove it from the pizza oven. Finally, it's time to add an obscene amount of Butsy's Truffle Hot Sauce to the pizza. And last but not least, we want to sprinkle it with some finely sliced green onions, and then this masterpiece is ready to devour. And that is how I make my Pizza Il Buttsy on the Karma 32 from WPPO. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Come on. The Buttsy sauce is legit. The pizza is amazing. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. Pizza Il Buttsy!